Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda and today we are going to talk about brain power. Sometimes it's very hard for us to focus. We have so many distractions in our world today, from social media to just noises, music, everything is kind of cluttered. And if you work or study in a space that is very distracting, like at school or even at work, whatever you're doing, if you're very distracted in your environment, sometimes you need a little help. Today I want to talk to you guys about 3 different oils that you can use for brain support, just to help you think a little more clearly and throw out that brain fog. The first one I want to talk about is peppermint. Peppermint is widely known. Most people have heard of using peppermint oil for some issue or another. It is wonderful for stimulating the brain. It helps us to just wake up and focus. When you sniff peppermint, you have to take a deep breath, first of all, because it's just like a woo kind of smell. Then you start to think. It just kind of takes that fog and shoves it to the side. It's a wonderful oil to use if you are having any kind of issues with brain fog and just not being able to focus well. A lot of people use it in conjunction with wild orange as well. It pairs very well together, and a lot of people use that in the afternoons instead of a cup of coffee. It's a much healthier way. The second oil is Thinker. It's called Thinker. It helps our kids. This is part of the kids collection. The kids kit is also in our 25% off flash sale, and Thinker is one of the 6 oils for kids that is in that. Thinker is amazing. It smells great and it will help your children to focus if that's something that they have issues with in school. So whether it's study time at home or you want to send this in their backpack, all the kids kit items come with a handy dandy keychain clip and are easy to use, and they're very durable. You can pull on this pretty hard and it's not going to come off of there. It is suctioned on to the lid of the roller itself, and it's very sturdily made. We use this if we just need to think. Maybe we've had too much sugar, or maybe we're just having a bad day. Maybe it's raining outside and we're just having trouble focusing. We use this one during homeschool a lot, and it always helps. The third oil I want to mention is a blend called In Tune. I don't have that one with me. I sold my last half a bottle because I use it a lot to a friend that was also having some issues, and so I've got to order another one. But it's also part of that 25% off flash sale going on through Friday. In Tune is amazing for any kind of focus issues. And I love that doTERRA has so many different varieties. So if you don't like the smell of one, you can get the same benefit from another. And In Tune is often used for children that have issues focusing, adults that have issues focusing. People of all ages can benefit from that one. It smells great. It's very strong though, so if you don't like really strong smells, you may want to try Thinker instead of the In Tune. The bottom line, folks, is that we all need help focusing sometimes, and it is much better to use aromatherapy than to use caffeine. So many people are addicted to caffeine and end up having withdrawals if they don't have it, and headaches and things like that. And too much caffeine is not good for our hearts and our cardiovascular system, whereas aromatherapy supports our bodies in a natural way so that we can just smell something and it helps that chemical response in the brain so that we can carry on the functions that we are used to carrying out, that we need to perform every day. So I hope this helps you guys out. I hope if you haven't heard about using aromatherapy for energy and focus, that you consider these options. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or email me at amanda@myfreedommakers.com. I'd be happy to chat and help you pick something out that is right for you and your family. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.